Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Right, to pull the rear view mirror off, I'm going to take a 90-degree pick and get under here. Once it bottoms out, I'm just going to pry it down a little bit, and I can take the mirror and slide it up. It's a little lock right here. So what I'm doing is with the pick, I'm just pushing on the lock to release it, and then I can slide the mirror up. Now we're going to reinstall the mirror. Just put it up there, line it up, slide it down until it locks in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.